HR data made easy. Excel, PivotTables, and SPSS. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of HR data analysis. If you are looking to simplify your HR data processes and make data-driven decisions, you have come to the right place. Human resources is all about managing people, and data plays a crucial role in understanding and optimizing this process. But handling HR data can often feel overwhelming. That is where tools like Excel, PivotTables, and SPSS come into play. Now, if you have a data and a very large amount of data, having numbers of columns and numbers of rows concerning their NIC number, their education, etc. Hundreds of employees are working in your organization. Then it's always a good idea to have data validation and list of the designation here. For that matter, we'll go to the data and then go to the data validation, and here we will select list, and the source would be first the designation, and OK. Afterwards, for the category purpose, again we'll go to the data validation, and select list, and source would be the category, and OK. Now we have the data validation list for the designation, just for instance, computer operator, and category is the permanent. And now we are looking for their gross salary, that how many computer operators, or total computer operators within the organization are getting how much gross salary for. Is equal to sign and then some ifs, and our criteria range for this purpose will be this gross salary, and this is the sum range. And now the criteria range 1, the designations, and this is the range 1, and this is the range 2. So that is how you can add. And if you think the clerk, so you'll see that there has been change, and if you change it in contract, so you are actually playing around this range. So that is how you can extract the information from the data. You can also add departments or the basic salaries, designations, and each and everything, and even if in place of the sum ifs, you can another formula you can add here about count ifs or average ifs. Next, we will dive into the pivot table, which is very important part of analysis. These powerful tools allow you to summarize and analyze large database quickly and easily. I will demonstrate how to create pivot tables that makes it simple to visualize your performance rates and everything. So how we will do that? And from here we'll go to the insert and then pivot table. We are selecting the table range, and that is up to the cell number 736. So this is your table range, and in new worksheet we will done with that. Now it is new worksheet. Now here, for example, you are writing the designations, department, and the gross salary. In the designation, for example, you come here, you click here, and go to the computer operators here somewhere. This is the computer operators, and here you go. So you have 24 computer operators, and Their amount is about 3,16,610. And in this, if you wish to change this by average, just double click on the cell, and then you will have the pivot table fields, and then select the average, and then click OK. And now you have the average salary. You can add even the basic salary, the average of the basic salary, and you can change the sum of this. And at the same time, you can also change their count. For just in case a row level here in Excel, you can get everything by pivoting. Finally, we will take a look at SPSS, a software widely used for statistical analysis. I will guide you through the basics of importing data from Excel and performing more advanced analysis so you can uncover insights that drive strategic HR decision. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Now, in SPSS, we can achieve the same objective by analyzing the data. This is our same data. We can go to the analyze, then report, and then OLP cubes. And in OLP cubes, we write the basic salary here because only scale variables are acceptable in the summary variables list, and the grouping variables we can add the designation, the category, the department, or if you wish you can add the name and etc. In statistic, we normally need these minimum if you wish to add, and then the maximum or the range if you want, or percent of sum in designations, or person or sum in category. It is not acceptable so far. So these are the cell statistics, and we'll click continue, and other rest are okay, and click OK. And let's see, it's running all P cubes, and now this is our results so far. But what we want, it is not clearly obvious here. So what we'll do, we'll double click OLP cube, and when we'll double click it, you can see the designation are here. So if we come to the here in computer operators, somewhere here in computer operator, this is the computer operator. So this is the basics and totals of the all. This is the sum and this is the mean. I mean the average salary. This is the gross salary. This is the average salary of the base of the gross, and that it was the mean or average of the basic salary. This is the standard deviation between them, the sum of the total. The minimum is the basic is 4,129, and the maximum basic is 17,360. And whereas the minimum salary was 8,334 and 35,000, that is and the range on 13,231 to $26,666. So it is like this. And in category, you can also go for the category, and you can use permanent. So this is the only category of the permanents. And here in OLP cube department wise, you can go also for the departments. So if we check the accounts department, so there are the 14 computer operators, and the mean and the average, mean means average, and the minimum and the maximum and the total, that is all here. So that is how you can achieve your desired result through SPSS by using OLAP cubes, options from the analyze, or sum if formulas, coin average if, count ifs formulas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the more tutorials on HR and data analysis. Let's jump right in. Thank you very much.